Hi, I'm Bill, and if this is the first time dropping into our channel, welcome. The purpose of today's video is really to get some feedback from those of you that have done dark site work before on how maybe I can better package my astrophotography gear so that it doesn't sustain any damage. So what I'm going to do with you today, share with you how I have it packaged right now. Again, I always try to do things incrementally. I start, I get feedback, and then I improve. So behind me is the 2021 Winnebago Solis 59PX. I'm all loaded up. I'm going to be heading out here in about an hour or so. I'm going to stop en route tonight down in Oceana, down by Pismo Beach, and then I'll head over to Riverside to Goat Mountain Astronomical Society, Goat Mountain Astronomical Research Station tomorrow morning. Couple of things. I'm going to try and keep this channel focused on astrophotography, but I am incorporating the van into it. If you're interested in van life type material camping, Lori and I have another channel called Lori and Bill Retired. That's where you'll find content around the Winnebago Solis and our travels. So if you're interested in that kind of content, why don't you drop into that channel and see if there's anything of interest to you and maybe consider subscribing. I reached out to my contact down at Riverside Astronomical Society at the club. He told me to be prepared for people being down there this week. It's the Perseids meteor shower time, so I'm looking forward to that. One of the purposes for joining the club is to meet other people and to gain some knowledge, being that I'm a beginner. So I'm looking forward to that. I will do a video when I'm down there about Riverside Astronomical Society and the Goat Mountain Astronomical Research Station, and share with you what the cost is to join the club and those type of things. I found it a good value, and it might be something you want to consider even though you remote. I've been dropping in on the monthly presentations, and they're really excellent and definitely worth the time and the membership fee for me so far. All right, so I've got my handheld here. I'm just going to show you how I have my kit, my gear packaged. Again, I'm looking for some feedback on how I can improve it. So let me head to the back of the van. Okay, so one of the things we liked about this Class B camper van is it has this garage area here. You got the bed up here, and then you got all this storage area down here. So let me bring my handheld into play and show you how I'm traveling. So right here you'll see the tripod for my Skywatcher HEQ5 German equatorial mount. You probably recognize from the color scheme there, that's my Jackery Explorer 1000. This box has my Pegasus Astro Pocket Power Box Advance cables. I carry with me a line level so I can make sure my mount is level when I set it up. Here's definitely an area I would like to improve. Right now I'm using a plastic tub. I have a little bit of a shaggy rug at the bottom. I'm hoping the ride is not too bad back here where I don't bounce it too much where I damage it. I imagine I should go to more of a deeper foam or something to take up more of the shock. You know, we'll see what happens. This is where I'm at right now, but again, always looking for ideas on how to improve. So if you have a few based upon what you're doing or what you saw other people do, please share them in the comments below. And also, if you have any questions, feel free to share that as well. And then I have some cables here for the Jackeries to recharge them. And underneath in this storage compartment down here, I have a Balder 120 watt portable solar panel. I'll put a little bit of footage from another video that we made on the Lorian build channel showing a little bit about the Balder panel. I would probably like to get a second one as well, because that Jackery, the 1000 Explorer, is going to take some energy to replenish. And all right, so let's now take a step to the inside, and I'll show you the final pieces that I have. Oh, down here in this box, this little low pro camera bag is my counterweights for my my German equatorial mount. Okay, here's what I need to improve. This is my Zenithstar with the Powerbox, everything connected. I would like to travel with it with all the cables connected, but I already see back here that I might be putting some stress on these cables, so I'll probably just unplug them, and then I think that'll sit fine. I've got a pillow down here, which is probably not the best solution, and then I've kind of got it seat belted in to the seat. I have my Pegasus Astro FlatMaster 150 there, so that's important. And then since I know I'm going to have some downtime, I brought a couple of books that I've found helpful. They're from Charles Bracken, and the Astrophotography Planner, the 2021 edition, and the Deep Sky Imaging Primer, the second edition. So that's that. And then up front there is my smaller Jackery. I just thought I'd show you this. I don't know, for you people that travel to dark sites, I don't know if you bring a DC compressor refrigerator with you. This is our Bouge RV 12 volt DC compressor refrigerator. I've got it in freezer mode right now, and I'm bringing some ice, and then I'm bringing some popsicles. The weather's going to be in the 90s, so so that's about it. And then the rest of the area is just kind of you know, food and the basics that you need to survive a couple of days. All right, well, I normally say I hope this video was helpful. The purpose of this video is really to reach out and get help from you. But if you found something helpful, that's fantastic as well. Again, I'm looking for your comments on ways I might be able to improve how to protect the astrophotography kit that I'm going to be traveling with. So again, please leave your comments and suggestions below. It'll be much appreciated. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Again, I'm going to stop halfway tonight, and I'll get into Goat Mountain Astronomical Research Station on Wednesday. So I'm really looking forward to that. Other than that, if you like this kind of content, please give it a thumbs up. As always, we welcome new subscribers. Like, share, and subscribe. And other than that, really appreciate you dropping into the channel. Thank you for sticking with the channel, and again, welcome to all new subscribers. There's plenty of room for others to subscribe as well, so feel free to hit the subscribe button and that notification bell, and you'll be made aware of when I produce new content, which should be a regular basis now for this channel. We got a big trip coming up to Colorado, and I've decided to bring my astrophotography kit. We're going to be leaving around the 19th. And so in the interim, I'm going to look to improve how I'm carrying that kit. So other than that, thanks again for dropping in and taking a moment to check out the channel. Till next time.